really.
Driven in the gap, through covers, and boundary number 3 for Deepika TC.
This is turning out to be give it an absolute wallop, and there too, it was there to be hit. Makes room, and look at the back swing. Harmanpreet Kaur, is that you? Are you the India captain? The sighted team's captain.
Bottom hand. Sandhya, nothing wrong with her as of now. On the stumps, she picks it. Boundary again for Deepika TC. What a lovely shot that was.
This is not an innings, I tell you. This is an absolute hurricane. That is.
See, that ball was so much on the wicket. It was hitting middle and off. She picked it from there. All right. What a lovely shot. Deepika TC. And yeah, the entire big shot again. That's in the gap. Is that another one? Yes, it is. It's Aneka Thakur now. She gets it. A total dream stroke, and another one followed up. Behind square leg this time. Fabulous hit. Aneka Thakur and Deepika.
Back-to-back fours now for India.
That was the first one. She made sure she went outside leg stump, and this one was a wrong line, wrong direction towards deep back of the square leg. Nice boundaries. The square leg also outside the ring. That's straight up in the air, long on. Yeah, she'll cut it down. So long on outside. Soft hard when it comes to cricketing rules. That's why I say me and him go back a long way.
The southern state of Kerala he hails from.
Oh, she was not in that position to play the shot. But again, improvised. Couple of runs here, Nayana. And a bit of a misfield.
Good pick-up once again from Deepika. The way she sizes up a delivery is really very good. The ball was sort of changing its trajectory, its path a little, but she made that late adjustment to send it hoiking into the leg side, this time towards deep square leg.
Delivery will be a no ball because it was going over the centre line. It was going over the centre line. Like once again we keep saying, imagine you are serving in a TT match. If you're a server, the first bounce should be in your half and then the opponent's half. That's how bowling in the blank cricket format is all about. Outside edge only, doesn't get off the middle of the bat, but still will go through towards backward of point. She will come back for a second as well. Yeah, small little fumble. Aneka Thakur wants a third. They will challenge on the throw. Third run. Good running, very good running here.
Terrific communication from the two Indian batters. The opening tandem taking the tally to 39 for no loss. Some team looking to finish it off in style.
Yes, they do again, Sonisha. Boundary here from Aneka Thakur's bat. 3 overs, they won the first match of the SBI first ever Women's T20 Cricket World Cup for the blind. And I guess they will all start to run in after the official scoring maybe. It was 39, it was boundary, and India win the first match of the SBI Women's T20 Cricket Tournament. The World Cup for the blind, they run in as well. The beaten Sri Lanka inside 3 overs. What a dominating performance here by Team India in the first match.